Have you ever wondered what really happened at the Bermuda Triangle? Ships vanish, planes disappear, how countless lives are lost without a trace? In this video, we'll reveal the latest evidence and theories that may finally unlock the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Stay tuned until the end to discover the shocking truth that might change everything you thought you knew about this infamous region. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, has long been associated with inexplicable disappearances and strange phenomena. Spanning approximately 500,000 miles, this area has been subject to numerous theories and myths for decades. From Flight 19 to the SS Marine's Sulphur Queen, the Bermuda Triangle has claimed the lives of many, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions. But why has the area been so notorious? What is it about the Bermuda Triangle that makes it a hotspot for mystery? Let's dive into some of the most famous disappearances. In 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers known as Flight 19 took off from Florida on a routine training mission. They were never seen again. Not long after, a rescue plane sent to find them also vanished without a trace. This incident sparked worldwide speculation and led to the Bermuda Triangle being labeled as a danger zone. Over the years, many theories have been proposed to explain these strange occurrences. Early explanations included magnetic anomalies that could disrupt navigational instruments, leading pilots and captains off course. Others suggest rogue waves, sudden and massive swells that could capsize ships without warning. Then there were more outlandish theories, such as the idea of time warps or even alien abduction. Recent studies have shed light on more plausible, natural explanations for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. Oceanographers have pointed to the region's treacherous waters, known for sudden storms and strong currents. The Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current, flows through the Bermuda Triangle and could swiftly carry away debris from wrecked ships or downed planes, leaving no trace behind. Another factor is the prevalence of underwater methane hydrates. These gas pockets, when disturbed, can release large amounts of methane gas into the water, reducing its density and causing ships to sink. Furthermore, methane gas released into the atmosphere could potentially ignite, leading to catastrophic consequences for aircraft flying through the area. While natural forces play a significant role, human error and technological failure cannot be overlooked. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most heavily trafficked maritime regions in the world, and with so many vessels and aircraft passing through, accidents are bound to happen. Navigational mistakes, mechanical malfunctions, and poor weather conditions have all contributed to the incidents in this area. For example, some experts believe that the pilot of Flight 19 became disoriented due to faulty instruments, leading them far off course until they ran out of fuel and crashed into the ocean. Similarly, ships might have encountered technical issues or been overwhelmed by unexpected storms, leading to their mysterious disappearance. Despite the logical explanations, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate those who prefer more unconventional theories. Some suggest that the region is a portal to another dimension, where time and space behave differently. This could explain why vessels and aircraft seemingly disappear without a trace, perhaps slipping into another realm entirely. Another theory involves the lost city of Atlantis. Some believe that the advanced technologies of the mythical civilization is still active beneath the ocean, creating powerful energy fields that disrupt navigational instruments and could cause catastrophic failure. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle has been amplified by media and pop culture. Books, movies, television shows have all contributed to the legend, often sensationalizing events and leading into the more fantastical theories. While this has kept the public intrigued, it has also muddied the waters, making it difficult to separate fact from fiction. One of the most influential books on the subject is Charlie Berlitz's The Bermuda Triangle. Published in 1974, Berlitz's book popularized many of the paranormal explanations and cemented the triangle's place in popular culture. However, critics argue that Berlitz and others have exaggerated the numbers of disappearances and ignored more mundane explanations. In recent years, advancements in technology have allowed researchers to explore the Bermuda Triangle with greater precision. Sonar mapping, underwater drones, and satellite imagery have all provided new insight into the region. For instance, sonar scans of the ocean floor have revealed a complex landscape of deep trenches, underwater mountains, and hidden valleys, terrain that could easily cause navigational challenges. Moreover, scientists are using advanced simulation models to reenact the past incidences, helping to understand how a combination of factors could lead to such disappearances. These models take into account everything from weather patterns and ocean currents to the structural integrity of the vessels and aircrafts. While many of the Bermuda Triangle's most famous cases are decades old, mysterious incidents continue to occur in the area. In 2015, a cargo ship, El Faro, disappeared during a Hurricane Joaquin, and despite a massive search effort, it took months to locate the wreckage. While the hurricane was undoubtedly a factor, some have pointed to the Bermuda Triangle's reputation and speculated that there might be something more sinister to the story. Another recent incident involves a small aircraft that vanished from radar in 2017 while flying over the triangle. Despite an extensive search, no trace of the plane or its passengers were ever found. These modern cases remind us that the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries are not just relics of the past, they continue to unfold today. As we move forward in the 21st century, the Bermuda Triangle remains a subject of fascination, but also one of ongoing research and scrutiny. Scientists and researchers continue to explore the area, debunking myths and shedding light on the true causes behind the disappearances. While many of the Triangle's mysteries can now be explained by natural phenomena, human error, and technical failures, the allure of the unknown persists. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a reminder of how little we still know about our planet. Hey there, I just want to take a moment to acknowledge you. That's right, you, sitting there watching me. You've made it very far in this video, and obviously you're enjoying the content. Check out some clips here and scroll through the channel to see some behind the scenes and some funny moments from your host, T. Justin S. Keep your stick on the ice, and remember, if you can't fix it with duct tape, you're not using enough duct tape. Enjoy the rest of the show. So, what's the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? While many of its mysteries have logical explanation, the region's enigmatic reputation endures. Could there still be undiscovered forces at play? As technology advances and our understanding of the natural world deepens, we may one day uncover the full story behind the Bermuda Triangle. But until then, the mystery remains a tantalizing puzzle that continues to captivate our imagination. Don't get left behind, everybody. Pull up your socks and click the next mysterious video, the mystery of the Roanoke colony.